What exactly is human consciousness? And why has it fascinated philosophers and scientists for centuries? Consciousness is simply the state of being aware. Aware of ourselves, our thoughts, and the world around us. But beneath that simple idea lies one of the deepest mysteries in science. Today, let's explore what consciousness is, how the brain creates it, and why it matters for our everyday lives. Consciousness isn't just about being awake. It ranges from basic awareness, like noticing sounds or movement, to higher-order thinking, such as self-reflection, planning, and moral decision-making. Different states of consciousness shape how we experience reality, from full alertness to dreaming, and even altered states like meditation. Ancient thinkers like Plato and Aristotle wondered whether the mind was separate from the body. Centuries later, René Descartes famously said, "I think, therefore I am," highlighting the power of thought in defining existence. In the 19th and 20th centuries, psychologists such as William James and Sigmund Freud explored the conscious and unconscious mind, showing that our awareness is only part of a much bigger mental system. Modern neuroscience asks a major question: which brain processes create conscious experience? Scientists study this through what they call neural correlates of consciousness. Key players include the thalamus, a relay station for sensory information; the cerebral cortex, especially the prefrontal cortex, where reasoning and self-awareness occur. With tools like fMRI and EEG, researchers can actually see which brain regions activate when we think, feel, or remember, revealing that consciousness is deeply tied to integrated brain activity. Several major theories try to explain how consciousness works. Global Workspace theory. Consciousness is like a spotlight. Information becomes global when the brain shares it widely across networks. Integrated information theory. Consciousness grows as information becomes more connected and complex. Higher-order thought theory. A thought becomes conscious when we can think about it. Each theory explains part of the puzzle, but none explains everything yet. Consciousness isn't fixed. It shifts. Sleep and dreaming help with memory and emotional balance. Meditation can deepen awareness and reduce stress. Certain substances can dramatically change perception, showing how fragile and flexible conscious experience really is. These states reveal just how dynamic the human mind can be. AI today can recognize speech, predict patterns, and simulate conversation, but it doesn't feel or experience the world. The big question remains: can machines ever become truly conscious? Or will they always just imitate intelligence? For now, consciousness still seems uniquely human. Researchers are still asking, how does physical brain activity create subjective experience? Can consciousness exist without awareness? Do animals share some form of consciousness? Could we ever build conscious machines? These questions keep the study of consciousness exciting and wide open. Consciousness shapes identity, relationships, creativity, ethics, everything that makes life meaningful. The more we understand it, the better we understand ourselves. For more deep science-based insights like this, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.